Everybody, back again. Have another auction. 2 more to open. Electronics lot. I think this was around 250. 260. I have to double check, but alright. These things sell for about 15 bucks. Here's what I wanted. Again, got one of these guys. Between 70 and probably 88 bucks. So I've got to give that a check. Knock on wood. I've had a couple issues where the sound won't play through, but it'll play through headphones. It looks a little worn. This is the most worn one I've seen. But still, I mean, looks good. We'll give it a shot. We'll test that. List it. Hopefully get it sold ASAP. Alright, so that's a... list that right away. Selfie stick. Computer fan. I get a bunch of these cords. This, I don't know if this is an Apple one. This is an iPhone 7 adapter cable. So that might do well. Kindle cover. This auction was 2 boxes. Again, these are 3D glasses with, these ones have headphones. So, the only pair of VR headphones or glasses I've really sold are the Samsung glasses. Everything else hasn't sold. Some more cases here. Oh, look at this. Beats by Dre. Hoping they aren't shorted. They look to be Power Beats 2, so I'm assuming they're wireless. Yep. So we'll give those a shot. Looking good so far, assuming everything works. This looks like a refurbished pen that'll sell. This is another cord, USB standard plug. Sorry if I'm a little low. Alright, try that. 2 adapters that look do pretty well. Box auction's looking good so far. S Pen, these sell for about 15 bucks. Assuming it's in there. Phantom power adapter. Some of those power adapters I've sold, so those sell well. Overall, this auction is looking pretty well. Levino ThinkPad digitizer pen, another one. So we'll put those over here. Usually I try to break up my auctions in list right away and then eventually get to not worth a lot of money. So like iPhone fashion case, not so much. Another case. This is leather wallet flip case. Some crappy cases. This looks like an LED strip lights. Camera lens cover. USB cord. I have no idea what this is. Water heater coil. Something. Gotta check the manifest for that. that is going to be my eventually list whatever file. I sold a pair of these. They worked on my end. The buyer claimed they were spotty, so if they work well, you could sell these for about 12 bucks. Life-proof armband. Haven't seen that before. These things are hit or miss. Usually I sell these on Facebook. 10 bucks. Another microphone. Have one, haven't even tried to sell it. Oh, here we go. iPad keyboard dock. Return, as you can see. But it looks to be, I'm not sure if this is, yeah, this is iPad, or Apple. So, that'll be a good one. Give that a try. Ooh, charging dock. Check this one out. My wife actually asked about this the other day. If I ever got one of these. Oh, look at that. Figured it's busted. So, can I fix that? I don't know. I'll give it a shot. I have plenty of lightning cords. Maybe I just feed a new one through. Who knows? Alright, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but last one I received of these was not the controller. Let's take a look. Ready? Ah, that's the right controller. Perfect. Assuming it works. That's a sell right away. Those Steam things, I sell those Steam things all the time. Random keyboard. Tablet stand. Another USB, lightning USB. What is this? Wired gaming mouse. Give that a shot. I'll put that in my list right away pile. No idea what this is. Data cable. Cables usually don't sell for me. Case. I have a bunch of cases. I have over 100 cases I'm trying to sell. I just lump them all together. I'm listed on Craigslist at the moment. Time Pro alarm clock. iPhone 7 adapter again. Pop socket. I get these all the time. Ooh, Jabra headset. It's an immediate list. Got one of these before. Oh, there you go. Hoping it works. So this first box wasn't too bad. This is probably the money box in a lot. Step up transformer. Sold some of these on Facebook. They're kind of heavy. So I wouldn't recommend shipping those unless you do a flat rate. Rose gold iPhone 5 case. High-speed file transfer. I'll try to list that. Last thing in this box is Zag iPad Mini Invisi Shield. Shield spray. Interesting. Alright. Alright, what did I sell today? Let's see. Alright, iPad Zag, iPad Air 2 book. I sold this for $88.88. Free shipping. Sonic Boom alarm clock, $23.99. This Manfrotto case, or arm stand, $69.99. If you can find any Manfrotto, oops, Find any of those, go for it. I've never had any issues selling these. I've sold anywhere between 60 and 100 bucks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below and keep on watching. Talk to you later.